Well, hello folks, and welcome to another video. So you guessed it, I've been buying things again, so stay tuned and see what I got. So folks, are you ready for the big reveal? Let's have a drum roll. Here we go. Are you waiting for this? Aha, here we go. The Rodelink filmmaker kit. So I think I'll just do an unboxing. I'm not going to do any sort of testing or anything like that. We're just going to get out of the box and see what we got. So guys, what we got here is the Rodelink filmmaker kit wireless audio system. So it looks like it comes in two parts. So let's get out of the box. So let's have a bit of a shove. So that's the what we got there. That is the TX transmitter. So that must be. We don't need that. We get that out of the way. So there you go. That's the receiver. So what we've got is the bit that goes on your belt, the transmitter, and the bit that goes onto your camera, which is the receiver. So what if we look at first? We'll do the TX first. So let's just put that to one side, folks, and we'll look at this one. So what we got? As you can see, the cat's already been at it. Tried to unbox it before me. So here we go. Shove that away. So there is the unit. So that is the transmitter. So I suppose the microphone goes in there, on, off, and I suppose that's channel display, battery level meter and such like, and a little bit of instructions on the bottom, and that's about clipped there. It's quite light actually, guys, quite light. So how do we actually get into this one? I'm assuming, as you guessed, I haven't actually looked at the instructions. Typical. Can I look at the instructions, guys? Nah, we don't. Ah, we go, we're in. Right, so I'm assuming, I don't know, is that the pairing button there, guys? I don't know. So I said I haven't read the instructions, so this is just a quick unboxing. So here's the decibel level meter. So 0, what's that, minus, no, 0 plus 10 plus 20. And there, so we slide that down a bit further. There's your two AA batteries going there, guys. So that is transmitter. So what else we got? Put that to one side. So, oh, nice little bag. So what have we got in the bag? Let's have a look. It's an unbagging as well as an unboxing. Oh, so that's our lav mic with a quite a big furry wind muff. That's the clip. There's your socket with the screw in on there if you want to screw it in. It's actually very good. It's actually quite a small lav mic, guys. It's a very small sort of lav mic, but that's a lav mic and a large wind muff. I'm hoping there's a smaller wind muff in the box, in the bag even. Oh, so there's the little wind muff there, guys. So, anything else in the bag? Have a look and see. Nope. So it's quite a little, quite neat little bag there for all the bits and pieces, and that looks like another like a hot shoe or a cold shoe mount. As I said, I think so, yeah. But obviously that actually you wear on your belt, so it may not be necessarily what we need. But yeah, another sort of mount there, mounting option, I suppose, under there somewhere. Yeah, there's a little recess in there for it to screw into the bottom there, but we'll do a proper look at that later on. And quick start guide, which we don't need them, do we? And some silicone gel, and looks like some instructions in there as well, or maybe a warranty. Oh, another quick start guide. Two quick start guides. Well, there you go, guys. That is the transmitter, or the TX. So what we'll do is we'll pack that away and have a look at the other bit. So guys, this is the receiver. or the bit that goes on the camera. So I suppose we better get that out of the box. Pretty much identical packing to the transmitter. So that's the receiver. Yes, that actually looks identical size, so we'll grab that out. So there's the receiver. So there you go, guys. I think that's probably the power button. That probably gives us, again, battery level and channels, etc, etc, etc. I think it's probably a mute button of some description, and the channel change, I don't know, guys. I ought to read the instructions, I suppose. What we got on this side? Right, so that's to the audio output or input to the camera. USB, is that for charging or for powering? Probably both, actually. Maybe you can use rechargeable batteries. Again, this has got a belt clip on it, but also the mount for the camera. But I'll probably, if you can, I'll probably take that off because we don't need that. So that can come off, guys. So we'll open it in the same way. So bear with me, guys, as I said, if it goes out of shot, because this is my first, it could be only unboxing that we're in. So it's the same as before then. So here's your decibel. So this one goes from 0 to -10 and -20, whereas the other one went from +10 to +20. Not sure what the red button is. Don't know. As again, I ought to read the instructions. And again, I suppose we just pull it on down further, and again, 2 AA batteries in there. So that's the important part, what we've got here. So this is the lead. I won't bother to get out of the bag, guys. So that's the lead. So that one with the screw thread, that end goes to the transmitter. Not transmitter, receiver, that one goes to your camera. So it's a nice curly wire, but that's it. Again, quick start guide, we don't need them. So that's it, guys. That is my Rodelink wireless system. So we've got to go and give that a try at some point. So guys, that was just a quick unboxing of my latest acquisition to my ever-growing video equipment. So all remains to do now is I'm going to have to go off and do some testing and setting it up on my Canon M50 and my Sony AX53 camcorders. So we'll catch you all again a bit later on. See you soon. Bye bye.